This is why you need to listen when a town admits they can't escape a sound. It's called the Taos hum, and nobody can agree what it is. Imagine a sound like distant machinery that never stops, no pattern, no warning. In Taos, New Mexico, a handful of residents first reported it in the early 1990s. More people tuned in. Scientists tested everything: seismic surveys, audio recordings, psychological studies. But results are mixed. Some blame underground gas, others military tech. A few say it's mass hysteria. The strangest part? Not everyone can hear it. Some feel a vibration, others nothing at all. Whether it's natural, man-made, something we don't understand yet, the Taos hum remains one of America's most persistent small-town mysteries. So next time you hear a hum, listen closely. You might be the one to crack it.